Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. Old age and tragedy will always beat youth and exuberance. The golden age is before us, not behind us. If you carry your childhood with you, you never become older. Responsibility for learning belongs to the student, regardless of age. Age is just a number. It's totally irrelevant unless, of course, you happen to be a bottle of wine. About age 10, we moved from the place where I was born, moved overseas. The trick is growing up without growing old. Whoever managed the spirit of this age will find himself a widower in the next. The memories of a man in his old age are the deeds of a man in his prime. Perfection of means and confusion of ends seem to characterize our age. Men are like wine, some turn to vinegar, but the best in with age. Stone Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age. We define entire epics of humanity by the technology they use. You are 27 or 28, right? It is very tough to live at that age when nothing is sure. I have sympathy with you. Invention is the talent of youth, as judgment is of age. Old age is always wakeful, as if the longer link with life, the less man has to do with all that looks like death. The secret of genius is to carry the spirit of the child into old age, which means never losing your enthusiasm. Aging is not lost youth, but a new stage of opportunity and strength. Youth is a blunder, manhood a struggle, old age is a regret.